Are you ready to revolutionize your RC car experience? Meet the remote control car, the ultimate thrill seeker's dream. This hobby-grade RC car is packed with features that will take your excitement to new heights. Let's start with power. With its brushed motor, this RC car can reach speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, providing an adrenaline rush like no other. And with lithium rechargeable batteries, you'll enjoy a generous 40 minutes of non-stop action on a single charge. But speed is only part of the equation. Control is key, and that's where our easy-to-use, 2-speed remote control comes in. With a comfortable grip and a range of up to 250 feet, you'll have the confidence to navigate any terrain with precision and ease. Speaking of terrain, this RC car is built to conquer the off-road. Whether you're tearing through sand, tackling concrete, or blazing your own trail, this waterproof monster truck is up to the challenge. With expert grip, operation, and durability, you can push the limits of RC fun with confidence. And let's not forget about the thrill of giving. Whether you're shopping for a teenage boy, girl, or anyone who loves RC cars, this is the ultimate gift. With Christmas just around the corner, why not give the gift of excitement and adventure? So what are you waiting for? Join the RC revolution today with the remote control car.